Hey everyone, in this video we're doing these cute Valentine's Day blues nails. They're a French tip. I wrote down my ideas for Valentine's series in my planner, so I was just reviewing and making sure, and I'm showing y'all that this thing say open on the left side and you open on the top, but the new boxes, they seem to fix that. I reordered this box because this is the first press-on box that I bought, and I was giving them to like my sister-in-laws and friends, and it's like a universal yes. No one has not liked them. I even like them. I just wore longer ones. So yes, these are the first ones I got for other people. Basically, I like the longer nails, but they're not functional. So then I started wearing these and I like them. So I got these from Shein. That's from the beauty supply. That's Shein. So again, those are Shein. These are also Shein. I was gonna get some from Amazon, but Shein was cheaper, and I just went ahead and ordered. I'm using Lizette's gel nails base coat and her crystal clear gel to get this look, and then I'm using Beetles polish to get that French tip that I want. The glitters I got from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I'm adding base coat, and before I cure the base coat, I am adding the glitter that I want on there. And once I'm done adding this glitter, I cure it. I add a little bit more base coat and add the other layer of glitter, which is the glow in the dark hearts for Valentine's Day. That reminded me, I didn't show, so I have to put that in the shorts, that they glow in the dark. Genius. Most people would be satisfied with being done here as it is. Like my sister would love these, but for me, I'm extra. Like I said, I like a little extra or a lot of extra. This is the first time I'm actually using the rhinestone glue from Lizette, and I loved it. I flash cured sometimes, but I realized I just have to do like a full cure, which is no problem as long as they stay there. I temporarily put them on to see how they feel and to see how they look on my hand. And I love them. Of course, if I didn't, I wouldn't have made the video. There have been so many I've thrown away. I actually have a huge collection, and then by the time I finish, then I'll show it. I'm recording as I go, but I really want to show the end. That's really my goal for making my own press-ons. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great night, great day, great weekend. And I actually recorded this while I was editing so you can see how they look while they glow in the dark. Oh, they look so dreamy.